Inside the largest high-tech banana leaf processing factory, we begin the harvesting phase.
During the harvesting phase, each leaf undergoes a meticulous high-tech inspection, scanning the veins for optimal quality before processing.
Our high-tech processing ensures each leaf retains its natural moisture, guaranteeing peak freshness.
The harvesting phase is critical. These trucks transport the fresh leaves directly from the field to the factory floor. At the arrival phase, massive quantities of fresh banana leaves are rapidly unloaded onto the primary conveyor system.
Used as plates in 60+ countries.
In the sorting phase, workers visually check the quality of every banana leaf before it moves on to the next stage of processing.
The smooth texture of the leaves is analyzed by our state-of-the-art sorting machinery, guaranteeing a perfect surface every time.
Here inside the high-tech banana leaf processing factory, the sorting phase begins. The automated size grading
Here we see the automated cutting phase, where advanced machinery provides a smooth, satisfying trim to the edges of the leaves. In mesmerizing slow motion, the roller applies precise pressure, smoothing the fresh banana leaves to perfection.
During the flattening phase, each leaf undergoes a rigorous flexibility test to ensure it meets our high-quality standards.
Inside this facility, the world's largest of its kind, the freshly cut leaves begin their journey into the drying chamber.
This high-tech drying tunnel utilizes advanced heat circulation technology, ensuring the banana leaves are perfectly processed for global distribution.
This steam softening process is crucial, allowing the leaves to become pliable without losing their vibrant color. Welcome inside the factory. Here in quality control, we ensure every banana leaf is perfect for its next life in eco-friendly food packaging.
This high-tech facility, precision is paramount. Automated systems handle the delicate task of stacking the banana leaves for packaging.
Advanced robotics meticulously seal the fresh banana leaves, removing all air to ensure maximum preservation and hygiene. From the processing factory floor to the finest tables,
The food is really delicious today.
I agree.
inside the largest high-tech banana leaf processing factory, a clear before and after comparison showing the future of sustainable packaging.
We are incredibly proud of what we've achieved here.
Inside the largest high-tech banana leaf processing factory, where pallets are stacked high and ready for shipment.
The future of sustainable packaging is here. Subscribe to see more innovation.